In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this absolutely delicious and refreshing papaya milkshake. So first you're going to need to chop some papaya. And you're going to add this to your blender and add in 1/4 cup of milk. And you're going to blend this just for a few seconds till you have a paste. And then to this you're going to add in 1/2 cup of milk. And add in some sugar to taste, or you can even use honey. And you're going to again blend for a few seconds till everything is combined, and make sure not to over blend this. And that's it, your creamy milkshake is ready and you can pour it in your glass. And you can add in some cardamom powder, which just enhances the flavor of the papaya and makes this so yummy. And go ahead and serve it, or you can chill it in the refrigerator and serve it whenever you like. I hope you enjoyed this simple recipe, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for new recipes, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye!